I have had a lifetime of work involved in being taught by the body what fractals are and what they have to do with so much of our health and healing and with our meridians as well. So it gives us a very different lens into how we may have found acupuncture points and meridians even by understanding fractals. So I'm going to be discussing what fractals are and how they're connected to meridians, and I can't wait to see you there.
Practicing with the meridians in mind gives a stimulus to the meridians, and when we visualize a posture while practicing it, we get a deeper benefit. So knowing about the meridians delivers a meridian massage there and then actually makes us practice differently. So we look forward to seeing you at the Meridian Conference to self-activate and to understand the deeper aspects of your body.
At the online Meridian Conference, I will be showing exactly how you can be your own natural physician. On Sunday, the 12th of November, on Zoom, starting at 2 o'clock South African time and running for 4 hours, we will be sharing in an interactive space the science, the mystery, and the practicality of meridian therapy. If you would like more info or to book a ticket, please note the space is limited. You can go along to my website, that's helenhansen.coza, and you will see on the front page a link to the Meridian Conference page, which is all on the same site. If you're having any difficulties with that, please email me, helen@helenhansen.coza.